Welcome to my channel. Continuing with the applications of artificial intelligence in this video also. Today, artificial intelligence is enabling companies, to sense, predict, and automate. We can now collect and process petabytes of data, basically huge amount of data, and append this data to the mass consumer purchase behavior and to the individual's purchase history to offer relevant and helpful product recommendations. You must have all been using Amazon, Paytm, Big Basket, Flipkart, Snapdeal, many such platforms through which you can shop online. Now, how do these online sites get your data? Online retailers are really finding clever ways to collect customer data. It could be in the form of natural language, that is your voice, for example. Product reviews, every time you buy products from these websites, they ask you to give product reviews for your shopping that you've done. It uses that product review also as data. Then call center transcripts, whatever, for whatever reason you call up their call center, all these calls are recorded. So the transcripts also for these calls are used as data. And of course, then your purchase history. Whenever you log into your this thing on these sites, you can see whatever you bought last year also will be visible there. So all your purchase history, whatever you have purchased, on which date, what was the amount, your product reviews, how did you like that, all that is stored here and is used for giving you recommendations for whatever you are trying to buy now. And of course, social media is also a part of it. So, if you're talking about Amazon, it's a common example of how to track buying behavior by account to recommend related products. Most of you, as I earlier said, would have bought something or the other on Amazon or would have seen product recommendations popping up, you know, or something at the bottom. If you would have read something at the bottom saying products frequently purchased together. So whatever product you're searching for, it tells you, okay, most people have bought this, and along with the product that you're searching now, other people have bought product B and C also. So just go and see, maybe you would also like to buy product B and C also. So, those products frequently purchased together are also shown to you. So, from using artificial intelligence to predicting the number of customers willing to buy a new product to running a cashierless grocery store, Amazon's AI capabilities are designed to provide customized recommendations to its customers. The future of grocery shopping has finally arrived, and Amazon has nailed it. There are Amazon Go is a chain of convenience stores in the United States, which is operated by online retailer Amazon. What happens here is you have an app like is shown here. With this code, you enter, like you enter your metro services, so you just put in your mobile phone there. It allows you to enter the store. You pick and shop anything which you want to. It automatically updates whatever you pick up from there. It automatically updates in your virtual cart. If let's say you pick up things and maybe you return something, so that whatever product you've returned will automatically get deducted from your virtual cart, and you don't have to stand in line or queue for your payments and everything. You pick up things and just walk out. It's also called, just walk out technology that Amazon Go is using. So you just walk out. As soon as you walk out of the store, your virtual cart is seen and your account is uh, deducted with the amount, the the your this thing, Amazon Go account is there where you would have some money, so that is used for your shopping from there. So here it is, you don't have to stand in queues and pay. You just walk in, shop whatever you feel like, immediately walk out. Your virtual cart is there, which has the details of whatever you have bought, and then it automatically deducts money from your account. Okay, so now coming to the next one is self-driving cars. Autonomous vehicles are prime examples of how artificial intelligence is impacting the automotive industry. Self-driving cars have been a buzzword in the AI industry. The development of autonomous vehicles will definitely revolutionize the transport system. And what it does is the AI system, the artificial intelligence system here, collects data from the vehicle's radar, cameras, GPS, and cloud services to produce control signals that operate the vehicle. Advanced deep learning algorithms can accurately predict what objects in the vehicle's vicinity are likely to do. Artificial intelligence implements computer vision, image detection, and deep learning to build cars that can automatically detect objects and drive around without human intervention. Companies like Waymo conducted several test drives before deploying their first artificial intelligence based public ride hailing service. Another famous example of an autonomous vehicle is Tesla's self driving car. According to Tesla, they have gathered data from over 100 million miles with their autopilot feature. This data is being compiled in the cloud to generate roadmaps for these driverless cars, which Tesla claims are 100 times more accurate than any standard navigation system. Coming to autonomous drones now. Big names like Walmart and Amazon are already investing heavily in drone delivery programs, and it's likely to become prevalent soon. You must have heard about Uber Eats to do food delivery through drones in India. What are autonomous drones? Now, these drones can see and fly intelligently through the algorithms which process the video footage image by image to help the drones know their own speed, motion, and to detect obstacles so they can reach their target position on time. Now, with autonomous vehicles running on the roads and autonomous drones delivering the shipments, a significant amount of transportation and service related issues can be resolved faster and more effectively as well. Now, when it comes to transportation, you know, uh, who doesn't know Google Maps today? It also uses artificial intelligence. With the artificial intelligence enabled mapping, it scans the road information and utilizes algorithms to identify the optimal route to take, be it in a bike, car, bus, train, or on foot. You know, Here what we do is it just asks you for the pickup point and the destination point, and the rest it does for you. It finds out an optimal route. An optimal route would be one without any traffic jam, or maybe the best or the fastest route available. If you're talking about the ride sharing apps that we have here, many of these are here. Of course, in India we have Ola and the Uber. Okay. Um these cab services, you have been using, most of you will have been using these cab services. Now, have you ever thought, how do they estimate the price of your trip? What they do is just ask you for your destination and the pickup point. That's it. Rest everything is calculated by them. So how do they estimate the price of your trip? Then, how do they estimate the shortest route to your destination, avoiding any traffic jams? Uh, and maybe if you're sharing your trip with other people, it calculates that too. You know, that there are four people who've been picked up, and these are the price distribution for them. And don't forget, calculation of surge pricing. In the peak time there is a surge pricing. So how does the feature here, whether it's Ola or Uber, how does it manage to calculate everything? For every of this thing, it is using artificial intelligence at the background. All of this involves artificial intelligence in the background. So that's it as far as applications of artificial intelligence are concerned. And as I said in the previous video also, applications of artificial intelligence keeps on increasing. As and when there is a new application, I will put in a video for that. Any questions now related to the topic discussed in the video, or request for a video on any other particular topic of AI, it can be asked through the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, please. Thank you so much.